Want to know how to personalize emails in GetResponse and make your email marketing stand out? In this quick explainer, I'll show you how to use the personalization features in GetResponse, making sure your emails feel more connected and tailored to your audience. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing an exclusive offer on the software along with a few alternatives that might actually work better for your needs. Let's dive into it. The first thing you want to do is log into your GetResponse account. Once you're in, go to the email marketing section and from there, select Create Newsletter. You'll be prompted to pick an email template. You can choose from many pre-designed templates, or you can start from scratch, but let's go with a template for this example to save time. Now, when you're in the editor, personalizing your email is super simple. Next thing you'll need to do is select where you want to add personalization. This can be anything from a recipient's name to any other piece of information you have stored in your contact list. To do this, click on the text you want to personalize, then select the Personalize option from the toolbar. This brings up a drop-down menu where you can choose from various fields: first name, last name, email address, even custom fields if you've added them to your contacts. For instance, instead of just saying, hello, you can make it, hi, first name, and GetResponse will automatically fill in the first name of your subscribers from your list. The next thing to note is dynamic content. If you want to go beyond just names, GetResponse allows you to display different content based on subscriber actions or other criteria. For example, if someone clicked on a link in your previous email, you can show them a different offer in your next email. This is a great way to increase engagement because you're sending the most relevant content based on their behavior. The fourth thing to remember is testing. Before you send your email, you can test how the personalization will look. GetResponse gives you the option to send a test email to yourself. This is crucial because sometimes placeholders like first names might not appear properly if there's missing data. By sending a test, you ensure that the personalization works as expected for everyone on your list. But here's the catch: while GetResponse offers these personalization options, there are some limits to what it can do. The design and delivery of your email can sometimes feel a little restrictive, especially if you're aiming for more complex segmentation and advanced personalization. Now, let me tell you this: if you're really serious about taking your email marketing to the next level with even more customization and automation features, GetResponse isn't the only tool you should consider. Stay tuned, because in just a minute, I'll reveal a few alternatives that might be a better fit for your email personalization goals. Before I get into that, though, remember that we've got an exclusive and extended free trial for GetResponse. Just follow the link in the description to claim it. But I'm also going to mention a few alternatives that have more advanced features, also with free trials, and may actually be more suitable for your needs. So if you want to create more personalized emails that resonate with your audience, check out GetResponse with our exclusive offer, or explore other options that might offer better tools for your email marketing journey. The choice is yours.